Hello guys, my name is Naveen Kevlani and I am going to show you how to edit this photo into this photo, which is a lot more appealing and delicious. So let's start editing. First of all, we'll open Lightroom. As you see, the photo is already open. First of all, we'll crop the photo according to the composition we need. So I will rotate the photo a little bit. So I think this is okay, but this was a bit more rotated, so I will decrease a little bit of rotation. As you can see, I am keeping the choco chip on the bottom left intersection of the grid lines. So yeah, this is the correct composition. Now I'll increase the contrast a bit, decrease the highlights. I really don't like whites. I like to make the images which are moody and kind of dark. I'll decrease all shadows, highlights, whites and blacks. Increase a little bit of vibrance. Decreasing saturation initially is a good idea, so it's a good starting point. Now as you can see, there's a lot of yellow color in the image, so I'll convert all the yellows into brown, all the orange into brown, and I'll try to minimize the red also. So as you can see, I have converted the yellows into browns. We'll give it a very beautiful texture by decreasing the hue of the red. And increasing a bit of saturation and luminance. As you can see, the image is now completely converted from a completely yellow image to a completely brown and chocolatey kind of look. Now I'll increase the hue of the highlights to give my image a contrast of browns and teal color. So I'll give a bit of teal in my highlights. So now let's come to the noise reduction part. I'll increase a bit of luminance according to need. Checking chromatic reversion, checking profile correction. Okay, next. Just to increase the appealingness of this image, we'll give it a little bit of grain, not a lot of grains, just a little bit. So we'll increase the amount a little bit, decrease the size of the grains and decrease the roughness of the grains. Now let's come to the tone curves. I'll increase the blacks, decrease the whites, increase a little bit of shadows, decrease a little bit of highlights, just to give that perfect texture to my image. I've just increased the size of the image a little bit, just zoomed out a little bit. We have made a lot of progress in this image. This is the original image and this is the final image, but still there are some things to do. We'll use radial filter to bring focus to the choco chips in the image. What radial filter will do, it will darken the whole image and bring focus to the center point, which is our choco chip. Next we will use granulated filter to darken up the areas which might attract focus of the viewer. I've increased a little bit of exposure of the image so that the whole contrast of the image remains natural, remains okay. Now as you can see, this is the final image we have got after editing, and this was the original image which you saw in the starting of the video. I'll keep uploading similar stuff on the channel. Hello guys, this is Naveen. Thank you for watching and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.